The Gold Rush 2.0. Why smart money is rushing into gold. What if I told you that one of the oldest and most traditional assets in the world is currently experiencing a renaissance? No, I'm not talking about tech stocks or cryptocurrencies. I'm talking about gold. Yes, gold. That shiny metal that has symbolized wealth and stability for thousands of years. In recent months, its price has skyrocketed, hitting record after record. But why? What's happening that's causing smart money to pour into gold? Stay with me and you'll find out what's behind this historic rise and whether it's the right time for you to join the gold rush. The first and perhaps most significant reason is growing global uncertainty. Just look at the world. Armed conflicts, trade tensions, and unpredictable politics in key regions. These situations always cause investors to flee from risky assets and what's considered the ultimate safe haven: gold. Another crucial factor is inflation. After years of low interest rates and massive money printing, inflation has hit the purchasing power of money hard in many countries. Gold, which isn't tied to any fiat currency, has historically been an excellent hedge against the loss of value. What's more, as central banks around the world, including the powerful US Federal Reserve, began to lower interest rates, investing in bonds became less attractive. This has led investors seeking returns to turn to gold. It's not just individual investors driving this surge. The real bombshell is what central banks are doing. For several years, they have been buying gold on an unprecedented scale. Why? They are diversifying their reserves, reducing their reliance on the US dollar. This is a clear signal that even the world's largest financial institutions see gold as key to stability in a changing global order. The biggest buyers: the central banks of China and India. Another factor is the increasing ease of investing in gold. We no longer have to buy bars and coins and keep them in a vault. We now have ETFs, futures, and other financial instruments that make investing in this metal easier than ever. Additionally, consumer demand for physical gold is growing, especially in countries like India and China, where gold is traditionally seen as a symbol of status and wealth, as well as a form of saving. To sum it up, we have a geopolitical storm, rampant inflation, and central banks are massively buying gold to protect themselves from it all. These are the factors driving its price to record levels. Does this mean gold will rise forever? Well, no one has a crystal ball. But as long as global uncertainty and inflation continue to dominate, gold will likely continue to play its role as a safe haven for capital. Remember that investing always involves risk. Gold is a great tool for diversifying a portfolio, but it shouldn't be your only investment. And what do you think? Do you have gold in your portfolio? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you understand what's happening in the market, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss our next videos on finance. See you next time.